My next two examples, starting with example C, are a little trickier, so let's look at those. Remember that if I have a fraction bar, it's just like if I had two sets of grouping symbols. So I'm going to handle the top part and then the bottom. So I've got my grouping symbols up on the top, which is the -1 plus 3. -1 plus 3 is 2. And I'm going to rewrite everything that's on the bottom. Now, on the top, the next step after grouping symbols is exponents. There aren't any exponents, so I'm off to multiplication. 2 times 2, that's going to be 4. So I have 3 plus 4 over everything that's on the bottom again. Okay, now 3 plus 4, that would be 7. And now I'm ready to work on the bottom part. On the bottom part, I have to do my division and multiplication first. So I've got 5 divided by 5, and that's going to be 1, and I'm just going to bring it up top. So I have 7 over 10. Again, -5 divided by 5, -1, so -1 plus 5. And now I have addition and subtraction. So 10 minus 1, that's 9, plus 5 is 14, so I have 7 over 14. Simplify that down to 1 over 2. We divide both pieces by 7. Let's look at example D. Example D, the first thing I'm going to look for is the parentheses, and we always work from the most inside parentheses out. So the most inside parentheses is my 6 minus 3, so I have 2/3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Make sure we rewrite that squared symbol. Now we do exponents, so 3 squared is 9. Now do I have any multiplication inside my parentheses there? I sure do. So I have 8 times 9, which is going to give me 72, plus 3 times 3, which is 9. Now I'm left with addition in my grouping symbols. Again, I'm just going to come over here. So 2/3, 81. 72 plus 9 is 81. And I have to finish multiplying this out. So 2/3 times 81 is 54.